welcome to today's video. I am going to be doing a get ready with me for the Adam Sandler show. I gotta pick out an outfit, so we're going. Also, I got a new camera and like high-key obsessed with it. Okay. This is what I'm wearing currently. Sweatpants. Ooh, someone texted me.
Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her. Knocked me over 10.
That was my knee that just popped, by the way, so that's great. Also, if you see my stain on my sweater, no you don't. Mind your business.
Feet forward, never knew I could sleep alone.
Try everything on. Okay, this was the first idea. I don't mind the pants. I don't mind the tank top either. Like, tank top's super cute. I wouldn't wear this bra. See, and then the pants do like that, which I really like, but I don't know if this like because I was trying to like, I try to keep my style a little more edgy, but let me try on this. Also, this is my boyfriend's and I love it. What about, oh, I do love this, but I don't like, I'm all for mix and matching patterns. I don't think this is the one though. Okay. Not me trying on this skirt and sitting here thinking, bitch, I'm doing too much. Like, this is too much. Okay. I think we're seeing the vision. Look at my bed right now. Is that not ridiculous? Like, that's what I'm thinking. So, black long sleeve, right? These pants are baggy AF and I'm gonna cuff them. And I'm gonna wear black boots. And then we'll do the flannel. Hi besties. I took a shower. What time is it? It's 3:47, so I really need to, you know, get ready. To do my hair, I want to do that ponytail hack I keep seeing. My hair is, you know, clean at the moment, so I'm gonna set you up somewhere else and you guys can watch me do this real fast because I want to watch TV as well.
Good, I've never been better. You're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me.
Hopefully this will get us some volume, but we're gonna go do my makeup now.
Leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell.
Okay guys, finish the makeup. Besties. We're gonna take out the hair. Let's see. My makeup turned out real good. It needs to dry. This last, so. I have never. My hair might turn out to do nothing. And you know what? That's kind of what I expected, so. I apparently used a small one in the back of my head, which makes no sense, but go off. Okay, that one curled better than this side, so, you know, we might have a little sorted head of hair. I'll take that it. Okay, that might have done nothing. Let's see. The fun thing about my hair is you never know if it's actually gonna do anything. Art. I mean, it did nothing. Like nothing. Like, there is nothing my hair can do ever. Alright, girlies, I decided I did a really like teased and voluminous ponytail. And now I'm gonna try new lip liner and lip oil. So.
Remember when you tried putting up a fight? Bet you feel stupid. Tried to make a scene, didn't change a thing. Damn it, you blew it. And you're probably out there somewhere.
Like watermelon, but I like how wet it makes my lips look. It's like really a wet consistency. It's not sticky. And the watermelon smell isn't super potent. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I want to know why every time I start this video, it fucking zooms in. Let me know. Anyways, this is the fit I went with. Shirt is Abercrombie. Pants are Abercrombie, different than the ones I was originally going to wear. But I just feel better in these. The boots are Boohoo. And this flannel is from the men's section at Kohl's. I ended up doing a puffy, you know, little headband. And I think this is cute. I have a little butterfly necklace on. So, it took me a while to come to this, but this is the finished look. And then I'll have my belt bag on, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.
Missing me. Wish I hadn't.